This could be someone that's operating in masculine energy.
Okay, I'm gonna take this off. I'm still eating breakfast, but I'm tired of this being on my face.
Okay.
So this is part of CNA life. No work.
What am I gonna do?
Video progress bar 23 minutes, 25 seconds.
I don't know what to do.
5 minutes, 39
I got
seconds.
problems in my relationship. And all my bags are packed. I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the taxi's waiting. He's blowing his horn. I don't know the rest, but I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh baby, I hate to go. Get that part off. Alright, y'all. Peace and love.